meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright guys, welcome back. A horrible wet day. It'll be week 12, so I've just popped in to see a local friend and just to sell some ladders to him. And this is his truck. Now he's got a DAF he's just building. This is soon going to be a camper. And he's got the old military back box, which is the old engineer's type box. And the funniest thing is, it even comes with its own letterbox. That is an actual letterbox. But yeah, there you go. Similar colour as what mine used to be. So it's going to be a long project for him. He's doing, but he's just bought the back. And that's all, he's just kept it all on the original, so it's on the original chassis, not like mine. It's got things like this as things that I wouldn't mind actually. Jerry can holders, because all mine got taken off. You can see a lot more clearance compared to mine, because mine, when all this chassis come off, mine's dropped a bit lower. If you can see from mine, don't know if you can tell, but his whole body sits just a bit higher. It's all about level with the wings, just a bit higher, where mine, actually, if you look at mine, drops. So that's with having a chassis on. But yeah, just sort of give you a comparison. But yeah, there's his box. He hasn't got the back end on it, it's just, but he's got quite a new, he's got 2 doors either side and 2 rear doors. So he's got lots of options. Loving them little windows. They're cool. All built-in mesh and everything in them. So yeah, he's just having this taken in. He's got a few little leaks and a bit of rust, so he's gonna have all that cleaned up. What's in there? Is that like a little look up things? But yeah, this is how you can do it on a lot more of a budget. You pick these boxes up a lot cheaper than a custom made ones, and then just basically insulate it all, pan it out. You do lose a little bit of height, but you're still good 6 foot plus in there. So yeah, there you go guys. Just thought Millie would come out and visit another one. Morning guys, here we are. Horrible wet day, chucking it down. We've got a new co-pilot today. I'll spin you around. I know some people have been asking, where's your other lad? Oh, there he is. And he's got more hair on him now. I think the last time you saw him, he had the COVID-19 haircut. Don't know why he goes all shy. He's always filming himself. It would just be that.
Yeah, but I don't speak to a camera.
You don't speak to a camera?
I only do when I'm on
Well, why don't you? You can speak to the camera. You can say hello. Say, hi guys.
Hi guys.
So yeah, we just thought I'd do a little vlog from here, because I haven't got much this week to film. Obviously, don't know if I'm going to start with it or finish it with it. I did a little tour of my mate's DAF just down the road. But yeah, we've just finished work. I've got my lad staying with me for a while now. So we're heading back to our little secret spot out at Scunny. So yeah, we just pulled in, don't know if anyone knows it, but Willingham Woods, which is on our route. It's market raising, quite famous for motorbikers and stuff like that for pulling up here. I mean, they have bike meets here. It's just hundreds and hundreds of bikes every week. But quite a famous place for walks and stuff. So yeah, we just thought we'd stop at a cafe, sort him out with some breakfast with a bacon bun and a coffee. And as we pulled up, there's everyone staring. And then lo and behold, just as we're getting out, you'll see a picture. I'll put a picture in. There's a guy with a DAF. He's a breakdown recovery. It just pulled up behind us. Says, "I know you." Says, "I follow you on YouTube." He's local. He's out looking to fix a truck just down the road. He's just waiting. So yeah, just had a good chat with him. Yeah, and it's quite handy to know actually, because apparently from the Daft Club, he's a friend of Sam. So that's where Sam gets all his codes and everything from apparently. So if you're watching this, Sam, I want his login codes as well so I can list up parts. Yeah, I had a good old chat with him. He loves the truck, so we thought we'd do a little vlog from here. So yeah, that's about it. So we're going to head now, have these, aren't we? Say hello. Oh, who's there? Who's there? Have these. We've got about sort of half an hour, so little run. Get to our little secret location again. I mean, we say it's secret, it's just we don't want the hassle from council and stuff like that. We only go weekends, so yeah, go and stay there for the weekend, and then this one's back at school.
Yeah, I don't have to go back.
Well, yeah, they do. Yeah, you have to.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I don't have to. I chose to.
Yeah.
Stop lying.
So, yeah, he's off back to school Monday. So, I've got to get back Sunday night and get him sorted. So that'll be it for now. Any other activities we do later, I'll no doubt vlog it. So, right, we'll see you later, guys.
Rain dancing.
Morning, guys. Right, we're now back at our other secret location. You've seen some of the videos. We've got one in the pit, and yeah, I've just been sorting out all the little jobs. We had a few little electrical issues left. Obviously you've seen my electrical system getting redone. I'm upgrading and making it all safer and stuff, so I've just been adding in, because obviously the guy who was doing it had to leave to go off somewhere else, and I've had to wait for parts to come, so just been fitting all them, fitting in little inline fuses and little things like that. So now everything's working. I'm feeling proud of myself. I hate electrics, hate it with a passion, but John here, if you go to his channel, Cozy Adventures, yeah, he sort of gave me a few little handy tips, brought loads of wires down. He's got some really big beefy cables, so we've upgraded a few bits of the cables we did have on just for overkill, in case we need to upgrade in the future. We've got more than enough cable. It's amped to plenty. So yeah, silly little things like just screwing in the inverter so it doesn't move, and just all them sort of jobs. So yeah, it's all done now. Now we're going to spend the rest of the afternoon in the sun cleaning the truck out. So I'll show you what we're doing outside, because Cozy Adventures now is starting to spray his truck, so we'll get a sneak peek view of that. So here we go. If you can see, he's starting to get some grey on her. I'll say it's undercoat first. We'll have a look. Oh, yeah, it's got undercoat on first, and then we'll see later on. See when it goes grey. So yeah, you can check out his channel. He's going to be doing all the build video on it. Cozy Adventures. So we're in our little location. The tents aren't used. I think they're just more for his kids. Don't know who they are. Some boomdockers or something they are. I can't remember. So yeah, we've met up with Kirsty and again, and Purdy. So yeah, get the fire on again tonight. And apparently Purdy's going to cook us all a Sunday roast tomorrow. So that's going to be good. What are you doing, Rox? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, sunbathing. Got me tackled up. Right, let's go and get this truck cleaned up, because it's absolute tip mode. Oh. I think I need to invest into a cleaner. So this will be spotless later. Alright, let's have a look at the colour coming on. Oh. Anyone seen that colour before? It looks a lot like mine. That's going to look lovely, that.
I'm going to go for a quick wee behind small.
Oh, it must be me moving then.
That's staying still, it's not moving.
Cheers, dude.
That's alright. Fire. Here we go, Chef Purdy. Cooking us all Sunday roast. What are we having?
We're having that's you.
It's like a casserole.
Beef casserole with Yorkshire pudding,
Roast taters.
roast taters, roast parsnip,
And big Yorkshire pud.
hopefully a king size Yorkshire pud. Get that back in before the oven cools. Yeah, beef, onion, mushroom, 2 tins of garden peas in gravy, roast parsnip, roast potatoes, cabbage, broccoli, beans, runner beans, mashed potatoes and carrot and turnip mash.
There we go. Yum yum yum. Going to be tasty. Right, let's see when it all comes out in a bit. So we found a monster.
Bring my camera over, matey, please.
I'll show you when it comes out. I think it's a bit big.
How's that one, matey?
Bigger than my Xbox.
I don't think I've got a knife big enough.
Here we go. Oh,
Do it.
How much is this ring?
Or tear it up, whatever. It's my stick.
How many of us is there?
I'm just going to get a few bits.
1,
on the plate
2,
for
3.
Ireland.